So hello and welcome back to Fable Electrical Services. And again, what we have in today's video is an installation of so it's going to be an installation of electrical conduit. Again, we're going to be following the electrical code book today for all rules when it comes to installing my 60 amp 2-pole disconnect, my 60 amp non-fusible disconnect. The disconnect is going to be rated for again 60 amps, and the size of the air conditioner unit is going to be 20 amp 2-pole. Again, I'm going to be using liquid type conduit within this installation, along with compression liquid type connectors. That way that my conduit is protected on the outdoor when it comes to the rain, water, anything getting into the actual disconnects themselves, which has to be protected. So for that reason, I'm going to be using liquid type conduit in this installation. And as you can see, the first part of the disconnect, which would be in the first video that I am going to drop, you're going to find the first part of this installation inside of that video. This is the second part of the installation. Also, keep in mind I have to use my clips, weatherproof outdoor clips rated for water also. And what I like to do is I like to pull my circuits in, and then after I basically like to transition over with my liquid type on the outside. So a lot of times I will stretch my wire out, and I will fish it down into the conduit, and it goes a lot easy when it's a short run. This happens to be a short run. Also, you're going to see that I'm going to in this video be connecting the second disconnect. Also, there is a line and load to always remember. The line is going to be labeled L1 or L2, L1 and L2. The other section of the two slots to connect your wires are going to be your load side going out to the air conditioner unit. So always keep that in mind, that there is a line and load when it comes to the electrical installation, whether it be your 400 amp panel, your 400 amp disconnect, your meter base, your electrical meter base that's located on the outdoor. There's a line and load. So we always have to make sure that we follow that. It is a code compliance rule that it is in the inside of the code book. So for those who are not too familiar with the electrical code book, I think you should take the time out to get used to it and read up a lot more inside of the electrical code book. You will find a lot of stuff in there that will blow your minds away. It is a full book. I think it's maybe over 1,000 pages, if I'm not mistaken, of electrical code compliance rules. Also, keep in mind that this is a residential job, and if this was inside of why I choose to use electrical conduit liquid type. Reason why I choose this, it's very straightforward, simple to use, gets the job done. It is approved for the installation from the code book. We could have also used the tech cable that I normally use, for my 400 amp disconnect and my 400 amp electrical panel. So that will be the set of cables I will be using for the two other units that I have on the left hand side. There are 4 units that's going to be installed. These are the first 2. They're rated at 20 amps each, and so again, I could have also used conduit PVC A lot of us will see it and know it as the gray type of pipe. I could have used that also, but it involves piping and it doesn't make sense. As you can see on the side of the air conditioner, that's where I'm going to be going with my connections. So it doesn't make sense for me to use my electrical conduit PVC. It's just going to be difficult and longer. So always remember to just go with the fastest and easiest and cleanest. So again, in this video here, what I have is simply I'm trying to line up both disconnects, both electrical disconnects at the same height, but one of them is going to have to stagger because I'm going to have to take one of the conduits and go below the actual disconnect itself in order to make it pass and go through. I'm also going to be strapping down these conduits at the end. It has to be strapped down so again the proper electrical clips for the outdoor. Reason being is there's going to be an inspection on this job, and even if it wasn't an inspection, it's always best to practice proper installation. Reason why I say again, if it wasn't an inspection, it was just a swap out for swap out, you know, you also have to make sure that the panel is labeled where the destination is going. This is going back into the basement of the home, and it's going to be inside of the electrical room. So it's always best to just take the time out to make sure you have your correct labeling at the panel to identify what it's being used for. So again, as you can see, this is the conduit, and I want to go on the bottom and up. It's the fastest and easiest way. This is how we normally do it here. I'm pretty sure there's other places that might do the same thing, but this is the liquid type conduit that I'm going to be using. It's gray. Again, there's many other types of conduit I could have used, but I choose to use this conduit. So these units also, I will have to also be connecting the main switch when it comes to the furnace, in order to make sure that the air conditioner is powered up, and I can turn the air conditioner on. There's normally a switch that's mounted inside of the furnace room that goes along with the installation. So again, I would like to thank all those who has tuned into Fabian Electrical. Again, as you guys come in or you guys exit, don't forget to like up the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the comment section telling me what you thought about the installation. And you can also leave a comment if you have any concerns about finding this rule in the code book, and I will catch you guys on the next video.